I was just talking about this shit yesterday, bro. It's
My niggas always skied up, we can't be barefaced. ARP right to his dumb, just like a bottle of some hairspray. How these niggas out here acting like a grizzly, I think they barefaced. I just gave my bitch a band for that new wig, that's just her hair paint. Brand balls be.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy 345 Tail, man. Back at it again with another video, man. Today we have. You know what this is, dog? Yeah, boy. And we have this right here. It's not on yet, though. Gotta put the tape on there. But today we're gonna be installing a spoiler and roof spoiler and taking this bullshit off. So first thing first, in order to take this bullshit off, I scratched it, dog. You gotta get it under there. I'm getting up under this bitch with the wrong shit. I'm gonna get a paint job anyway, though, so it don't really matter for right now. Don't do this with yours, though. If your paint flush and your bumpers and all, like, show them that. If your bumpers and all that the same color, don't do this with yours. But
Oh, hell no! That's hell no!
dog, this shit's still under, dog. What the fuck, that doggy? Well, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I might get back. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I got this side off and that side off. And you focus on this part. For real. Alright, you to be back. You got this bullshit off. Actually, we gonna clean it all at once. So now to take this middle part off, what you wanna do is grab you a clip popper and the fuck? Grab you a clip popper and pop off one. Nigga driving around like he the motherfucking scatter cat, nigga. But you gotta take the one clip off, which is right here, and then this bullshit, which is some bullshit. So you wanna grab your handy dandy toolbox, pop that bad boy open, get a good look at it, and I bet you it's this one. I was correct. That's because I'm a remote part guy.
We do not care.
You want to grab this, put that on there, and then screw this out. Show them what I'm screwing out real quick. It's going to be 2 screws on this. 1, 2. You're going to take that out. Feel me? Almost lost the screw. Then you gon' pop this out like that. All right. And next, what you want to do is grab this right here and alrighty. Oh wait, down. Wait, no, I don't. All right. So now what you have here is. Got one behind here too? Oh yeah. Alright. So there's gonna be 4 screws you take off for this. I might just broke this. Oh well. Guess my shit not gonna be real OEM now. That shit just breaking. I guarantee you this is a 10 mil, and it is. So now, I'm gonna get you a ratchet. You know, I'm a little bougie now, so I got my electric ratchet, dog. I don't do that hand shit, dog. And you're gonna take out the one. One screw. And then there's two right here, dog. You gotta get to it, dog. I need the short one. Well, actually, let me take out this other one right here. Real quick. One. This right there. Grab you a short 10 for this one. God. Now you should be able to put this back down and lift up on this box. Hold on. Corner right there. Lift up. Lift up. Lift up. Lift up. Lift up. Just lift up, y'all. Just. Get this bullshit up out of here. Now it's time to get the cleaner, dog. First thing first, dog. First thing first. What you want to do? First thing first, what you want to do is get you some glue gun. And actually spray the motherfucker first off. Spray all that shit off. All that shit off. All that shit off. Make a car powering up and shit. Ready for blast off. All that gunk and all that bullshit off. Real shit though. You know, I accidentally fucked up my shit like right here though. It's cool though. We gonna fix it. Probably not today though. Then I'm gonna get you some goo gone. Put this shit on there. Spread that shit. Nope. Spread that shit all over so this shit can come off. Then what you want to do next? Put this shit like this now. And, don't mind my clothes and shit. I just got off work with it and shit. I mean, I wouldn't recommend this, but this shit gotta come off. What would work real good though is an eraser gun. Which I don't have. Hold on, that shit. It might be a change of plans. I'll get back to y'all. All right, YouTube, we back. You feel me? Change the scenery. We got the fit and shit. I'm dumbass. What the fuck?
You can eat bread, right? Get the fuck spit it out.
All right, you guys get the concept. I'll get back to y'all when it's all off. What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy 345 Tail, man. We back. We got this spoiler on now. This how the spoilers sit now. Ooh! GT5, you get red eye. Real as shit. That bitch look good as shit. We got my sons right here and shit. Got my nigga Noah and shit. Sunshine right here and shit. What y'all think about the spoiler and shit now?
Real shit. 1 and 1 is as a backpack boy and shit. Like I give it like a 2 out of 10.
You weird, buddy. You're weird.
I ain't really feeling that shit. If a nigga really got a problem with a backpack boy edition.
Nigga, I don't give a fuck where you know, nigga. You think I give a fuck, nigga? Damn. Think I give a fuck where you know that, nigga? Nigga, do you know me, nigga?
Really?
All right now. I always keep one up top, dog. Really shit, dog.
I give it 7.5 out of
10. Nigga hating, man. This bitch raw. Fuck you talking about, nigga? Nah. You feel me? This bitch on about all screws, though. I should have 3M taped this bitch, huh?
Nigga don't make no difference. Nigga, it's about screws.
These niggas don't feel like sitting and shit. I ain't gonna lie. This bitch look. Oh my god! What? What? Nah, the B right here and shit. Nah. Really shit. Nah. Nah, but we getting ready to throw the roof spoiler on real quick. I'll get back to y'all when I'm throwing it on and shit. Nah, for real shit. Nah. Alright, YouTube, man. It's probably like 2 days later, but let's go get this nigga, man. You ain't gonna pack that bitch though. He don't see me, y'all, but here you go. This like the next day. It's like the next day. We got the spur down here, and we got the roof spur down here now. You feel me, dog? You feel me? You bitch getting right, dog. For real, this shit. But we finna wash the whips. You feel me? We got Connie shit over here.
Really, nigga?
Yeah, that nigga can't get me. We got bro 3 over here and shit. You feel me? But it's probably gonna be the end of this video, man. We do got the spoiler out here finally. And the roof spoiler. So it's gonna be the end of this video, man. We got this bit looking together and shit. Next we gonna do exhaust and lowering springs. Exhaust and lowering springs is next. So you feel me? It's the end of this video. We gonna give y'all some B-roll and shit. We gonna call it a day, dog. See y'all niggas in the next video, dog.
That boy and all this thing, he can't hop up in this rap. The first Drake take 7.62s, other one a quit with 9s. The little hoe that told me she was real, I know that bitch was lying. Think I got dubs in my Mac, play with that bag, we leave flying. First day, we doing great, all turkey bags and ain't no A for brand new day, a pint of quake. A brand new jack and a day away, I catch her up, I got a spray, blow on the bills, ain't printers tape. I tell her throw it bacon, she gon' throw it back. She make it shake like what you doing, I like what you doing. Go ahead, do this shit, I like what you doing. Brand new striker, bitch, we skate like Ludacris, bitch.
Fight!